The Smart Sprinklers Controller WiFi by HiOazo offers seamless app control, allowing you to manage your irrigation system from anywhere, ensuring convenience and flexibility. With a robust weather-smart functionality, this device intelligently skips watering sessions during rain, frost, or windy conditions, conserving water and protecting your plants. It provides tailored watering solutions with the ability to customize up to 16 plans across 6 zones, catering to the specific needs of different plants in your garden. The controller features 2 irrigation modes, enabling you to choose between continuous watering and soak irrigation, which helps promote healthier plant growth. Installation is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes, and the system is compatible with 99% of existing sprinkler controllers for easy integration. The durable build quality with a 5-year care assurance ensures that this irrigation controller is a reliable addition to your garden care arsenal.